Every complex factory needs a central production core. In the human body, this core is essential for complex biological functions. These dual-purpose organs have two vital jobs: manufacturing billions of reproductive cells and producing essential biological hormones. Positioned outside the main body cavity for optimal temperature management, their internal architecture is a masterpiece of compact design. Protecting this delicate internal machinery is a tough, fibrous outer capsule, known to science as the tunica albuginea.
In the human reproductive system, the entire process of life begins within two specialized organs, the testes.
These organs have two vital biological roles: the continuous production of sperm cells and the secretion of critical male hormones. Housed outside the pelvic cavity, within the scrotum for temperature regulation, their internal anatomy is incredibly complex. Protecting this delicate tissue is a dense, bluish-white fibrous capsule known as the tunica albuginea. This capsule extends inward, dividing the internal space of each testis into roughly 250 separate compartments called lobules.
Packed tightly inside every single lobule are 1 to 4 highly convoluted, microscopic loops where cellular generation occurs.
These specialized structures are the seminiferous tubules, and they are the literal birthplace of human sperm cells. The scale is massive. If uncoiled, the seminiferous tubules from just one single testis would stretch for nearly 800 feet.
Along the lining of these tubule walls, a continuous 64-day biological process takes place, known as spermatogenesis.
Immature stem cells continuously divide, slowly maturing as they move from the outer wall toward the hollow center of the tubule.
Nurturing this delicate process are large, structural cells embedded in the tubule wall called Sertoli cells.
Often called nurse cells, they act as physical guardians, supplying essential nutrients and structural support to the developing sperm.
Sertoli cells lock together to form the blood-testis barrier, preventing the body's own immune system from attacking the developing sperm cells. But sperm production is only half the story. The interstitial fluid-filled spaces between the tubules hold another major function. Located within these open spaces are specialized endocrine cells, known to science as Leydig cells. The primary responsibility of Leydig cells is endocrine function. They synthesize and secrete the primary male hormone, testosterone. This locally produced testosterone diffuses directly into the neighboring tubules, acting as the essential fuel required for sperm maturation. The remaining hormone supply is secreted into the bloodstream, regulating bone density, muscle mass, and reproductive drive across the entire body.
This entire process is tightly monitored by the brain via luteinizing hormone signals sent down from the pituitary gland.
Once the sperm cells develop their structural shapes, they detach completely into the open fluid center, or lumen, of the tubules. Gentle fluid currents wash the immotile sperm out of the lobules and into an interconnected network of delicate channels called the rete testis. From this central network, the fluid and cells are funneled upward through a series of small exit pathways known as the efferent ducts. These ducts deliver the fresh, non-swimming sperm completely out of the testis core and directly into the epididymis, located right above it. From 800 feet of seminiferous tubules to precise hormonal feedback loops, testicular anatomy is incredibly designed. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.